to crane. Bro, don't press everything. Just one.
Ha! Bro, why are they all lit? Efficiency, bro. Is this a lift or a roller coaster? Free content, bro. I want to get out now.
Relax, only floor 17. We need a plan. Plan, don't panic.
Barrow, don't press that! Oops, too late.
Passenger error detected.
Bro, it means you. Huh? Sorry, elevator.
It's not your girlfriend, bro. Finally, we're almost out.
Bonus shake, bro.
I'm never riding a lift again. Tomorrow we try the emergency stairs, bro.